Noma bekudlanzana lebantfu kepha bakhombise umfutho ngalesikhathi bamashele emahhovisi eSABC eMbombela eMpumalanga bathi abahambelani nalokudzilitwa kwetisebenti talenkapani ikakhulu kulesikhathi lesimatima salulubhubhane iCovid-19. Bathi abatithanzi naletingucuko letendiwe etinhlelweni tabo temsakato ikwekwezi.
The main issues which is local, which has got to do with the local management, is the manner in which they have approached or they are approaching the programming and scheduling of shows, which clearly seems to suggest that most of our presenters might either lose wholly their income generating potential or might be reduced by 50-60%.
Amalunga emphakathi athi awahambisani nekutsi letiteshi temsakato letimbili kwekwezi neligwalagwala kuhlanganiswe. Libambela lemphatho SABC eMpumalanga Rio Mabunda wemukele lencwadzi tikhalo.
Before this particular march, we had a session yesterday where in the very same NPO came with their delegation. The employer was represented by the acting provincial manager, myself, the management of the station, as well as the CEO of the company, the GE of the company. We had a very good session yesterday. We found one another in most of the things that they were concerned about. It was a question of receiving this memorandum in black and white as they've just done. We are going to escalate the issues to the head office.
Mabunda wethembise kuphendvula lencwadzi tikhalo esikhatsini lesingaphasi kwemalanga lasikhombisa.